What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video for y'all today. So I'm driving, I gotta go pick up stuff from Tractor Supply, so just running down there. I want to talk to y'all a little bit about a couple things. So the video you probably are about to see is gonna be from a little while ago, when I added my Torch Oxy Acetylene hose lid to my truck. Not for that long ago, maybe a couple months, well, no, maybe a couple weeks ago. But sorry for the delay on video. I got some more coming, don't worry, but have some life changes. Per se, my wife had our daughter was born, so that tend to change things up a little bit. Time's a little more not as prevalent as I wish it would be, but yeah. So don't worry, I'm still gonna get the videos out. I just haven't had time to sit down and put these two together and then go from there. But I got a neat little project coming up. This is it's my own project. It's a new piece of equipment. It's gonna be neat. It's gonna be a neat little piece of equipment. It's a vehicle-ish thing. Actually just got out of the trail yesterday. So it's over at my parents' shop. I gotta get it running and go from there. I gotta track down parts. That's always a fun thing to do. But I'm gonna track down some parts. I get some points, condensers, and yeah, water pump too. But, so that tells you it's probably pretty old. So anyway, yeah. Now I just want to do a huge shout out. We got over 500 subscribers at the moment. That's crazy. I can't believe 500 of y'all want to actually watch my videos. Hopefully I'm giving y'all some good content out of it. I want to try getting y'all on some more jobs with me and stuff like that. Just and I need to do some a little more. I don't know, what kind of content do y'all want? I want y'all to put that in the comment section. If you're happy with what it is, great. But if there's any one thing you want me to kind of do a video around, I'll do my best to try doing that if I can and if it's feasible. Because I just want to make some content that y'all interested in, because that's the whole point. And hopefully give y'all some information that you may not have known or something like that. But I gotta say, I'm crazy that I got 200 subscribers. Oh no, not 200, 500 subscribers. My bad. Yeah, but if you do like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I love for this channel to grow more. I mean, I'm happy with where it's at, don't get me wrong, but if it grows more, that's great too. I do want to throw a couple channels out there that y'all might want to check out if y'all enjoy my content. Obviously, Dorbador, the Welder. Probably if you're watching mine, you already saw him. I've done some collab videos with him. Need to get back with him. I think we did a live stream not that long ago. I need to get another live stream going with him, because that might be on his channel. I can talk to him about it. But that's the welding machine. He's another great he's doing the same to me. He have a side business and he have a day job trying to get it going. He's a smaller channel, but he got some good content out there. He's done quite a few reviews on like some welding machines, like even like I think he hit the Hopper Fight Plasma Cutter. He did a really good review on that, so definitely check that out. Think about it, I'll put all these channels in the description. Then a new one I found recently was Melted Metal Addict or something like that. I'll put it in the description. He has some good content. I actually followed him on Instagram a while before I actually found out he had a YouTube channel. So check that out, and there might be a couple more I think about. I'm gonna throw them in the description. Just if y'all want to, just check out those channels. If some of you are interested, subscribe. If not, then it's not a big deal. But they would much appreciate it. But as of that, we can go ahead and now I'm gonna roll the video. Hope y'all like it. What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video. Sorry for the sun glare. But today we're working on, I got this hose reel. Just came in today. For the time after work, didn't really have to do anything. So I was gonna mess with it for a little bit. It was a nice day out. So But as you can see, we got in. I'll turn you around and show y'all a little bit more about it and just how we're running this at the moment. Okay, so I got these set up. This is the food bung, I think. I'm probably saying that wrong. But basically, I got these are Oxy fuel lines. This is the reverse thread. This is standard thread. To 3 to 1/4 inch. That what that is. To 1/4 inch MBT, and that's MBT food bungs, all glass, and then I'm coming back in and reducing it back down too. So this is gonna set right there, and those lines gonna be hooked. Right now I'm working on the other side. I got just an old hose I had, popped up there and zip tie it down there, zip tie it down there, and then right to the tank. I'll take you over there, kind of show you what I'm doing. Sledgehammer's what I need. So I could have picked up another hose, but this hose had a hole in it anyway, so it wasn't that big a deal for me to just cut it up. So what I got here is, actually there was somebody spliced it before, which there was an end already on it, so I just take advantage of that. I cut the acetylene line off. So now all I'm going to do is take these, which is the acetylene side, and a crimp. I got this set a while ago. I've had it. Nowadays I have these with the pliers, but this you put it in when you take a hammer and you hit the top of it, and then that crimps it. But it's just a little set I got all sorts of fittings to repair hoses and anything else you might need to fix a hose or two. So that's what we got here. All that stuff back in. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. Let me get this set up, and then I'll show y'all how that works. Got the end put on. This old hose, I probably could keep that on the truck, but I might put that on my other truck. Probably what I'll do, just throw it on my other truck for now. But yeah, we're just gonna take this. Take this. Everything gotta be tightened up. I'm trying to get everything started. That'll work. There we go. Get everything started. Get these tightened up. Which I probably end up getting a new hose for this, but this is what I got at the moment, so it'll work. That. Then let's see this thing. Because I might need to. Alright YouTube, so we got all the plumbing done. Got it ran back over there for the most part. All you gotta do is just connect those lines onto there. Those lines over there. Then we should be good. Just got all the. I had to make these holes. I didn't have my pad on quite right, but we got it working, so can get ready to do that. Got all my hose over there. I've been joking with my wife the past day. I'm like, yep, got me all my hose. This is just Best Weld. What is it? 1/4 inch hose, 100 foot. Yeah, grade R. So that should be fine for what I need. That was about $100. That was about $100. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bolted down. I grab a couple more washers, and then we'll go from there. Should have got some lock nuts. I kind of forgot. I don't own some lock washers. I don't typically use lock washers. Normally I just use lock nuts. Yes. So we can put some Loctite on it. A little bit of Loctite on it. It's hard to handle. Alright, got them all tight. Now it's easy to put on all these hoses. Alright YouTube, so we got it in. Got the new hose on. Found one leak, but it's to do with the old hose I had, so I might probably not come in the one, so probably I'll see about older one, just a new hose for that, nothing major. I think a 15 footer will work. I gotta measure it. Pretty sure it will. So, just give me a 15 foot there. I could throw a new end on it, but I probably should throw another hose on it. But that'll work for that. And then all I got left is. And now, yeah, I'll spin y'all and show y'all the box. Alright, so we got the box, the hose wheel, and another hose wheel. That's 100 foot on there, which I didn't think it was gonna fit, but it fit. So. That's there, that's there. It's a lot of footage, more than you would expect. Well, it's obviously it's 100 foot, but what I'm thinking about doing is that truck's only got like 25 foot, I think, on it, so I need to grab that other hose over there. If I like this, I might just pick up another one for that truck, or might get I can find a 50 foot on it up there too. That might be a better option. But anyway, that's just what we got going. So another thing I gotta do is I gotta put these lights in. Probably won't do that tonight. These are just some LED strip lights. Probably put 2 of them up there and then just wire them in to all these bottom lights. Like that. That's probably what I would do. But yeah, that's basically it. I gotta get cleaned up because I gotta go. I gotta get to work tomorrow, so yeah, that'll work.